Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix earned roughly $940 million at the box office, one of the biggest hits in movie history. According to Warner Brothers' own accounting, it lost $167 million. Not a typo. 940 million in, officially a loss. And here's the part that makes it interesting. It was all completely legal. Today, how Hollywood makes billions of dollars disappear on paper, and why the trick they use is quietly used on ordinary people in ordinary businesses every single day. Stay to the end, because the last part is the part that applies to you. In 2010, a document leaked that Hollywood never wanted public. An actual participation statement for Order of the Phoenix, the internal accounting sent to people who were owed a share of the movie's net profits. The top line, massive revenue. Then the deductions begin. A distribution fee, the studio charging the movie for the privilege of being distributed by the studio itself. Advertising costs, overhead charges, a percentage skimmed to cover the studio's own offices. And the best one, interest. The movie was charged interest on the studio's own money paid to the studio. By the bottom line, one of the most successful films ever made was $167 million in the red. And everyone owed a piece of net profits was owed a piece of nothing. This isn't one weird movie. It's the standard playbook. Forrest Gump, a massive worldwide hit. Winston Groom, the author of the novel, had a deal for a percentage of net profits. The studio's books showed the film unprofitable. His percentage of net profits was a percentage of 0. Return of the Jedi. David Prowse, the man inside the Darth Vader suit, said for years he received no residuals because, according to the accounting, the film had never gone into profit. Star Wars never profited officially. And in 1990, the comedian Art Buchwald sued Paramount over Coming to America. The court looked at the studio's net profit formula and used a word you rarely hear a judge say about accounting, unconscionable. Hollywood's response to decades of this, a saying every agent knows: never ever take net points, take gross, a cut of revenue, or take nothing. Because net profit is whatever the accountant decides it is. And if you're starting to see the trick, subscribe. Every Monday, we pull apart how money actually moves. Now here's the mechanism, because it's beautiful in a dark way. The studio doesn't lie about revenue. The tickets are real. What it controls is the expense side, and the expenses are paid to itself. The distribution fee goes to the studio. The overhead goes to the studio. The interest goes to the studio. The movie is a company that buys everything from its own landlord, and the landlord sets the prices. So the profit didn't disappear. It just changed names. It walked out of the line called net profit, the line other people were owed a share of, and into lines called fees, overhead, and interest, the lines the studio keeps entirely. Same money, different label, 0 for the profit sharers. Now, why should a contractor or a restaurant owner or anyone outside Hollywood care? Because profit is whatever the accounting says. Isn't a movie trick. It's a rule of money. And it cuts in every direction. If you've ever been offered a percentage of profits in a partnership, a bonus deal, a commission structure, the number you'll actually receive depends entirely on who defines the expenses. percentage of revenue and percentage of profit are two different planets. And here's the sharper edge. Most small business owners run Hollywood accounting on themselves by accident. Jobs that look profitable because half the real costs, the owner's hours, the equipment wear, the fuel, the callbacks, never get charged to the job. The profit line says one thing, reality says another. Warner Brothers did it on purpose and kept millions. Owners do it by accident and lose everything believing their own numbers. The lesson from $940 million. A profit number is only as honest as the system that produces it. Hollywood survived 100 years of this because the studios understood something most people never learn. Whoever controls the accounting controls the outcome. The stars who thrived weren't the most famous. They were the ones who understood the paperwork, gross, not net. Same rule everywhere money moves. The survivors aren't smarter. They have systems and they read the numbers before they sign. Subscribe every Monday, the money and the systems behind real businesses. Next week, a foreman notices one delivery that doesn't match one job and accidentally uncovers $400,000 that walked out of a company nobody was watching.